Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about the derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer f of s. That means we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to s. So this one we have 3s squared. We just apply the power rule of the derivative. This one we have 4s to the power of 3. This one we don't have s, so you got number 0. The next one we need to do first the derivative fs with respect to z. This one we don't have z, so you got number 0. This one we have 3z squared, so number 3 with number 4 we have number 12. Now we have number 1, number 2. That means s equals to number 1 and z equals to number 2. So we have like this. So we have 48. This is the end. Thank you for watching.